Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. We repair report for Ben right here in the state of Kentucky on this Galaxy 33 HML. Ben, we got this thing fixed up for you. She's ready to go. It's on frequency now. Truckerize this unit. That's our peak and tune for those of you who don't know. It's got a low, medium, high, and I'll show you where we set her up at for you. 5-watt slug. 1 watt on the low, 3 on the medium, and 5 on high. Let's go over here and we'll check average power first. 100 watt slug, single 1969. Hello audio. About 11 watts of average power. We'll check peak. Hello audio. 28 watts. Alright, Ben, she's ready to go, my friend. Ready to go back in the big dump truck. I thank you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.